Industry 4.0 promotes the use of great information, Internet of Things and artificial intelligence as one, driven by the need for greater efficiency, automation, and customization to meet fast fashion demands. The RMG sector's adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies began gaining traction in the early 2010s. After the revolution of Industry 4.0, the managing director of Logic Software Limited decided to take advantage of this and make a web-based ERP solution to automate the RMG sector. Within 2012, the ERP was fully developed. Let's dive into the platform ERP developed by Logic Software Limited. Here you will get merchandising, TNA, commercial, planning, supply chain management, inventory, production, subcontract, printing, embroidery, AOP, trims, wash, sample, approval, and report modules in the platform. Let's see what's inside the modules. Every module contains entry pages and related informative reports. Every page has its own print button, which describes each detail in a sheet. Every consumption, every cost is calculated automatically here and gives you the ultimate calculated total required consumption and costing in BOM sheet, so that the actual required quantity is revealed and the actual costing is available in front. After entering data on the page, it is reflected in the report. The report will help the management to get all the details of an order. Every module has some informative decision-maker reports. In today's fast-moving world, efficiency and integration are the keys to business success. But managing multiple departments, scattered data, and disconnected systems can slow your business down. That's where the platform ERP comes in to boost your efficiency. Logic Platform ERP is an all-in-one business management solution designed to streamline every process across your organization. From finance to HR, inventory to sales, everything works together seamlessly. From Logic Platform ERP, you get real-time data and analytics for smarter decisions, automated workflows that save time and reduce errors, integrated modules for accounting, procurement, HRM, and more. Cloud access so you can manage your business anytime, anywhere, and customizable reports to fit your unique needs. From order entry to shipment, every detail is automated through the Platform ERP solution by Logic Software Limited. Empower your teams with collaboration, boost productivity, and gain complete visibility into your operations. Logic Platform ERP helps you grow faster, work smarter, and stay ahead. Transform your business today with Logic Platform ERP solution and join to the world of automation. One platform, endless possibilities.